Mahomet, Tragedie by Voltaire. Act 5, Scene 2. Mahomet, Palmyra, guards. O heaven, where am I, gracious God? Mahomet replied, Palmyra, be not alarmed. Already I have fixed thy fate and Mecca's. Know the great event that fills thy soul with horror is a mystery twixt heaven and me that's not to be revealed. But thou art free and happy. Think no more of side, nor lament him. Leave to me the fate of men, be thankful for thy own. Thou knowest that Mahomet hath loved thee long, that I have ever been a father to thee. Perhaps a nobler fate and fairer title may grace thee still if thou deserve it, therefore. Blot from thy memory the name of Side, and let thy soul aspire to greater blessings. That it could dare to hope for, let thy heart be my last noblest victory and join the conquered world to own me for its master. Palmyra said, what joys, what blessings are, what happiness can I expect from thee, thou vile impostor, thou bloody savage? This alone was wanting, this cruel insult to complete my woes. Eternal Father, look upon this king, this holy prophet, this all-powerful God whom I adored, thou monster to betray two guiltless hearts into crying sin, a parricide, thou infamous seducer of my unguarded youth. How darest thou think, stained as thou art with my dear father's blood, to gain Palmyra's heart? But no, proud tyrant, thou art not yet invincible. The veil is off that hid thee, and the hand of vengeance upraised to scourge thy guilt. Dost thou not hear the maddening multitude already armed in the defense of injured innocence? From the death's dark shades my murdered father comes to lead them on. Oh, that these feeble hands could tear thee piecemeal, thee and all thy train. Would I cold, would I could see them weltering in their blood, see Mecca and Medina, Asia all, combined against thee, that the credulous world would shake off thy vile chains, and thy religion become the jest and scorn of all mankind. To after ages may that hell, whose threats thou hast so often denounced, against all who dared to doubt thy false divinity, now open her fiery gates, and be thy just reward. These are the thanks I owe thee for thy bounties, and these the prayers I made for Mahomet. Mahomet said, I see I am betrayed, but be it so, or ere thou art, learn henceforth to obey you. For know my heart. And so the idea is that these are, not statements referring to Muhammad. And one of the things is that if you look at it objectively, perhaps Muhammad was influenced by others before him. Maybe people could say that, whatever, but some of that was it was revealed that Jesus or Moses or whatever did something, and then Muhammad did something in response. I mean, Jesus the prophet, not the amalgamation the Christians refer to, but you know what I mean. What spread throughout the world, whether by most people being Muslim or not, was certain influences of rights, what we call, democracy rather than republic, rule by consent. That's what he advocated for. Human rights to the point where almost no war was thereby allowed. And so the name, yeah, a lot of people don't like the name because they don't believe him as a prophet, but can they deny if they actually knew the heart of the religion that he was spreading? I mean, can they deny, that these ethics were his ethics? They actually had knowledge.